guys, it's your boy Kifa, and I'm gonna unbox another Lego set that I got from a mall. This is the two-set race car, and then nothing too unusual, just package. The back looks like this, and there's two cars. Okay, we're gonna unbox this and let's go. So, I've not been unboxing Legos for a long time, and this is my second time unboxing Lego. So, let me just... trash! Here's the stickers, here's the... It comes with two, manual things for the build. And we got the number 1, here's the number 2, there's number 3, there's number 4, number 5. Let's move all of this away. We have to get the bag number 1. Rip it off, rip it off, rip it off, yeah! That's the kick style. Put it out, put it out. Almost done. Bag number 2. Almost done, just the tires and the thing to open this. So we're mostly done. I'm done with the race car. There's the racer inside right here, ready to race. And we're going to number 2. Okay, I'm gonna do the number 2 car. Let's open it up. start the race. I don't know what it's called, but the most interesting part of this one is like this. 3, 2, 1. Then we can start the race. Do it over and over again until you finish. And I'll be building another Lego set. Maybe anything. But I'll be in that video, and for now, goodbye.